In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Skate 3 on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Skate 3 is officially available on most consoles, so it is available on Xbox and PlayStation. However, it is not officially available for mobile, so it's not something that you can just go over to the Play Store or the App Store and download directly. So in this video, I'm going to show you some ways in which you will be able to run Skate 3 on a mobile device and play using that mobile device. But I need to make it very clear that this isn't going to be running natively. So there are essentially three ways that I want to showcase. The one that I would recommend is going to be by using Xbox Cloud Gaming. If you have never heard about cloud gaming services, basically the game will be running on Microsoft's computer in this case, or someone else's, depending if you choose another service like Amazon Luna, GeForce Now, and so on. And it is going to be streamed over to your device, and this works on mobile devices as well. So it's like if you had a computer running the game, and instead of essentially connecting your phone to that computer directly, you are simply streaming the game over. So it relies on a very strong internet connection. And as you can imagine, Skate 3 is available on this list of games. So there are a lot of titles available, including Skate 3. So you will need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. It can get quite pricey, but because you can access a wide range of games, not only Skate 3, it is absolutely worth it. So you stream the game over. You can play using a controller connected to your mobile device, and this will be the actual official game. So it is what I would recommend if you have access to cloud gaming and you want the native experience as close as possible. Besides this, you can emulate the game. I wouldn't recommend this due to a variety of reasons, but there are working PlayStation 3 emulators on mobile devices. I'm not sure about Xbox. For PlayStation 3, you can emulate games, and Skate 3 is available for that platform. However, I don't recommend it because the FPS is going to be quite low, so the performance is not refined yet. And besides this, setting it up can be a hassle. I cannot showcase how to get the game files for Skate 3 in this video. It is against the YouTube terms of service, and I need to make it very clear that piracy is wrong. So only do this if you have legally purchased the game and you have the game files available to emulate. Besides this, the last option that is going to be as cheap as possible, I believe, is going to be by looking for similar games. The most similar one that I can think of is Push SB. So it is also a skateboarding game, and this one is made and developed exclusively for mobile devices. So it is going to be an experience that's going to be similar to Skate 3, but it is native on your mobile device, so you don't have to emulate or stream it over. So choose between any of these methods, and you will be able to play either Skate 3 specifically or a game similar to it on your device. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.